guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about sensory filtering. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So what is sensory filtering? Sensory filtering is also known as stimulus filtering. Sensory filtering is the process of separating useful sensory information from the other many stimuli present in the external environment so that an organism can filter out certain information that is not so necessary. So in our external environment, hundreds of stimuli are there, but we don't respond to all, right? Suppose you are in the exam hall and waiting for the question paper. Your full attention will be on the invigilator who is coming, when is he providing you the paper, and ultimately how is the paper. But other than these, number of stimuli are still present. A lizard might be in the wall, someone may be eating something outside the exam hall, someone in the road might be checking mobile, but your focus will not go there. That means you are filtering some information and paying attention to the most important one. This is called sensory filtering. Sensory filtering enables the animal to conserve energy as it is not responding to unimportant signals. Yes, obviously, you will not waste your full energy by paying attention to anything or everything. You will focus on the info which you need most in that particular moment. Sensory stimulus can be sight, sound, smell, taste or touch. When we smell smoke, our brain immediately instructs our eyes to look out for fire, right? Okay, let's talk about the mechanism of sensory filtering. When particular signals are received by the animal, the neurons determine which signals are important enough to proceed and which signals are insignificant and can be ignored. So it is our nervous system which decides what to receive and what to reject. This process works as a filter as the synapses of the neural network enhance certain signals and repress others. Sensory filtering occurs via two pathways: peripheral filtering and CNS filtering. Let's talk about peripheral filtering. So peripheral filtering is performed by receptors due to their ability to receive and transmit information. So we know that our sensory receptors are present in all of our sensory organs, and they collect and transmit information to the central nervous system, right? Receptors are highly specialized and respond to a narrow range of stimulus. For example, choloreceptors can be stimulated by heat but not cold, and frigidoreceptors can be stimulated by cold but not heat. CNS filtering. CNS filtering is performed by different parts of brain. So ultimately our brain processes the information and acts accordingly. Let's talk about some examples of sensory filtering. Cockroaches are extremely difficult to catch, right? Because they are extremely sensitive to vibrations of air currents. Cockroaches are very sensitive to sudden increase in the velocity of air current. This enables the cockroaches to respond to most significant stimuli and ignore less significant background events. Let's see this figure. Okay. So, if the air vibration comes this way, this cockroach changes its direction and escapes. So, this is one example. Example 2. The unicellular organism Paramecium shows a kinetic response with respect to the local concentration of CO2. When it senses a high concentration of CO2, it withdraws and turns through a certain angle and moves again. So here you can see this Paramecium was moving toward west, but here it senses high CO2 concentration. It turns and changes its direction toward east. In this way, our sensory filtration works. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. If you want to get the PDF notes of this topic, please find the first pinned comment or the description box. Thank you.